Play with the ritual of life and enjoy life without reservation. This time, we will take you to Kent Ridge Hill Residences to see our whole house smart project. The owner is a gold collar who has a high pursuit of life quality, and everything in his house is an international brand. He currently lives alone and may have scenarios such as handling work, entertaining friends, and gatherings in his life. So, in addition to the regular design, we have also made some warm little thoughts on the lighting. This time, we use the anti-glare intelligent downlight of the Sky Dome series, which is a natural light scene, SPWM 10,000 high clear dimming, using pulse wave signals to adjust the brightness and color temperature of the light. Not easy to flicker. Color shift, honeycomb soft light lens. The light is very soft, black cup anti-glare. Comfortable eye protection is not dazzling, powerful, and the appearance is resistant. Not only that, this lamp is also very smart, which can be controlled by voice or mobile phone. The light and dark can be adjusted at will. Choose the whitest and brightest light when you need to work. Focus on your work, dim and warm when you are relaxed, so that the whole space has more atmosphere, and the beauty of life may be in these subtle changes. It is said that a beam of light represents a mood, a beam of light records a time and atmosphere. Different scenes should be set off by different lights. Such lights can make our lives a little better. Perhaps, this is the charm of science and technology.
If you like it too, leave a comment in the comments section and see what your home would look like with this light.